Hi guys, welcome to the Tech Minders. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how you can optimize your computer for free using Microsoft PC Manager. Do well to subscribe to the Tech Minder, like, and click the notification bell so you can receive notifications on every new video we post. Without much ado, let's dive into the setup. Open your browser and search for Microsoft PC Manager. It's usually the first or second one to select. Click on the download button. It will open up Microsoft Windows Store in your computer. Ensure you have it up to date. Once it's opened, click on Get to start installation process. Once it's fully installed, click on the Open button to open the program. So while you open the program, the Home tab have a button which can be used to boost the computer. It will decongest the computer of every temporary files and junks in the computer which might cause your computer to slag in its function. With a click, you can scan your computer and free it from all temporary file taking up space in your computer. Here you have to be very careful with the cleaning process. Check whatever needs to be checked before cleaning. By clicking on the Boost button, the PC Manager can help clean up all junks in the RAM, free up your computer's storage, and enable it to function properly. Clicking on the Health Check tab, just like the name, help you check your computer of any anomalies. Unwanted programs can be removed by checking the boxes behind the programs to remove them. The Home tab also have the Process section which enables you to see all the programs currently running in your computer. At a click on the End button, each programs will immediately end. This is very effective when a program is stuck and refuses to work. Another tool in the Home tab is the Startup section. It helps you to manage the programs that starts up automatically when your computer starts up. Every program has a switch to either turn them on or off, which gives you the liberty to choose which program is started up when the computer is coming up. The last tool on the Home tab is the Deep Clean section. It enables you to see what's occupying your computer's storage space. The second tab, after the Home tab, is the System Protection tab. Every tools here has been simplified to help fasten your system protection against computer viruses or any unwanted malwares you could ever think of. Isn't this software wonderful? The third tab is the Storage Management tab. The tool present here helps you to clean deep files into your computer, manage the large files you have in your computer taking up your precious space. The fourth tab is the App Management, which has sections to control your computer processes, start up applications, manage installed system applications you have installed in your computer, and the last, Microsoft Store, where verified apps can be downloaded. The last tab is the Windows Toolbox. Everyday tools in a Windows computer has all be put together in a tab to make life easier and comfortable for use, and to be found easily without looking through the whole computer for tools. Over here, you custom links to enhance your everyday online task. You can start by entering the URL and the title for every page you work with every day. You can see an example I already did. Why don't you try by selecting any tool you are familiar with or some other tools you have used before, and let us know in the comment section what your opinion is about the Microsoft PC Manager. Does it worth having? Is it useful? Or does it do some tasks which are required by some paid apps? Do subscribe to the Tech Minders YouTube channel if you have not done so, and don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell to receive notification on every video we update this channel with. Thank you for watching this video. Be rest assured of some more exciting tech video coming up.